mo ma-use, no? So now, the question is, now we are going to the, really, what is calculus 1? Mau pa niya calculus 1 after pinanong i-discuss. This is really what calculus 1 is about. So by definition, no, when you say about calculus 1, I will just go directly, no? It's because the definition of dy, the differential actually for the dy dx, is actually equal to, by definition, it is the limit of delta y over delta x as delta x approaches to 0. That means this is a change. The change in y with respect to the change in x. Now, receive ko na hindi ko sa ito. Dog, bang mo meron?
Opo, okay, sir.
Para na, makita na lahat.
Kita na, sir.
So that means that they now first made
Nasa tayo, sir.
Pwede magpatan niya.
YouTube na nito.
Kaya yun nilimutan ko ito. Magpapalala na makasuhan. Okay, so the limit, this is actually the derivative of y with respect to x. This is actually the limit of the change in y with respect to x as delta x approaches 0. So meaning that the change is actually very, very little. When we say approaches 0, it does not mean that it is 0. Maybe it's 0.0001. So gamay, good siya, kaya. So that is why before we discuss this one, we have to understand first this Ganesian. So how do we arrive all of those differential, so we say differential theorems or differential rules? So we say you have y as a function of x. And so when we talk about change in y, that means we know that for every change in y, there is always also corresponding x plus change in x. Always. No? Now I would say that for every change in y, there is a corresponding change in x. So that means ako siya add. So ako siya add, that means this is now the function. So that we will talk about this one. So this is y is equal to the function of x plus change in x minus y. That means the change in y is equal to the function of x plus. Now take note, na dili si dili ta moingon ba x plus 4 onya x squared plus 4 onya mo hatag kag change ari ta matag change in x. That's wrong. Dili ka sa x, that means x plus change in x squared. Kasi x man ang also dili man ang whole na one. Di ba naman ang whole function? It's only that for every change in y, there is corresponding change in x. So, mauni ang pag-express na yun. Okay, so that, yan mo na sa plus. Okay? So, y reason. Sa ato na yung reason, hindi ka po yung divide. O diyan, kutang na yung how many reset dito sa kuan office. Okay? Yeah. So that after this one, if we divide the whole function with change in x, then it will be written as change in y over change in x is equal to function of x plus change in x minus y divided by change in x. Okay, so muna no? Okay, no? Lihat. So that by then, no? If we try to look at this one, no? So if we get the limit of this one, this is the limit of change in y over change in x as delta x approaches to 0, then this will become function of x plus change in delta y minus y over delta x. Now let's begin. So now we see limit. So meaning that we take the limit of this one as this function as delta x approaches 0. To give you an example, para mas madali ka sa ating example, kay ano niya sa madali ka ta makasagot, no? So example, y is equal to x squared. Simple lang, no? Kung sabi niya siya na quad, then you geometric figure. This is a parabola. Ang tingin talaga, no? Parang ngayon, no? Ang tingin talaga, uy, parabola natin, no? So you don't need to graph, but your picture is a parabola. So if you try to go to the derivative of this one with respect to its limit, then you will say that y plus delta y is equal to x plus delta x squared. So mauna ang iyang function. Okay. Now if you try to get the change in y, that the change in y is equal to x plus change in x squared minus y. And y is equal to x squared man. So therefore, change in y is equal to x plus change in x squared minus x squared. It's because y is equal to x squared. Okay, so nakakuha na. So, if we expand this one, ito naging iinat. Iinat ba? I-expand. So that makes this will become change in y is equal to, kailan mo na x squared plus 2x delta x, di ba? Plus delta x squared minus x squared. So, uy, y, na may parehas, no? The same phase, no? So therefore, this one, cancel na sila, no? Kay parehas man. So that means that change in y is equal to 2 x, dito malipat, no? X, change in x plus delta x squared. Now, if we divide the whole thing with change in x, that means change in y over change in x is equal to 2x change in x plus change in x squared over change in x. But we can factor out change in x. Na kay change in x, na po kay change in x. Diba? So therefore, this will become change in x times 2x plus change in x over change in x. Cancel na sila. No? Okay? Yan ang cancel man. Multiplication man. No? Okay? But if you have already in mind na, cancel yun sa gayon, no? Makuha. You don't need to rewrite this one. No? Given niya, kaya pa-picture out, hindi tayo sa ito pahingan. As I've told you, no? So meaning that the change in y with respect to the change in x now is equal to 2x plus delta x. If you take the limit of this one as delta x approaches to 0, Then, kung sa may tambuhan this will become 2x plus 0 because delta x approaches to 0 man. And so, this is now equal to 2x. Okay, now take note that every derivative rules gikan na ini yung system. No? Gikan na ini yung system. Kung pasabot na gikan na yung system, kanang inyong dy dx yung mga equation na karon is actually formulated or has been processed to this one. This is long method. No, taas na siya kayo. No? Kaya imagine kung taas-taas na rin yung equation. No? No, so parang